But do you see those layers? The burger, the ham, and the cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
Hopefully the sauce is good. I made it up. Hey, hi everyone. I am Amy Roloff and I'm in my little kitchen. I kind of forgot that today was going to be kind of cold. In fact, the next 2 days are going to be kind of cold because I am kind of making a very easy, simple dinner for Chris and I might be having summer on my brain because we're down to like low 40s, 30 degrees. Half the country is like 2 below. And I'm making hamburgers. We're gonna have what I am calling ham, quotation, ham burger. So we're gonna take some ground beef. We're gonna take some, hopefully this is good, like Black Forest roasted ham, thinly sliced, some provolone cheese. I think a Swiss cheese would go good with this, or Gruyere, that kind of cheese. I don't know, I didn't pronounce that right. Some of those French words or Italian words or whatever just get me all tongue-tied. Of course, homemade fries or potato wedges is really what I'm going to call them. But I thought it'd be kind of neat to, just to keep the skin on, roast them up, saute with a little salt and pepper and garlic powder, and even either smoked or hot Hungarian paprika, I thought would be good as well. So we're in my little kitchen and we're gonna get these fries going because it is a summer meal in the middle of winter. Well, you know what? If you have leftover, oops, get that pickle back here. If you have leftover fries, guess what you can do with them? Because they're already seasoned and cooked. You can chop them up and make like a little potato hash for breakfast and serve it with eggs. We're just gonna drizzle this little cheap pan with a little bit of oil. We're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of garlic. I'm roasting the potatoes on about 425 degrees and I'm thinking they may take maybe about 15 minutes. I'll check it after 15, 20 minutes. So I'm gonna cut up this dill pickle. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're gonna add that in there. A little bit of mayo. Since it's only the two of us, I'm just gonna add, I don't know, maybe 2 tablespoons. A little bit of pepper. I know the mayo already has salt plus the dill, but I'm just gonna add a dash of salt along with, what did I do on there? I did smoked. I am going to do a little bit of hot paprika. I always add in an extra vowel somehow. Who knows why? We're gonna add in a little bit of Dijon mustard. We're pretty much eyeballing it here. A dash, boop, of Worcestershire sauce. Let's get going on making hamburgers. I do want to salt and flavor my meat, just a hint. I don't want to over flavor it because sometimes it's not only the meat, but it's everything else that you put with it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt to this, a little bit of pepper. I'm gonna continue on with some of the seasonings that I used for the potatoes and even for the sauce, the bread sauce or whatever you wanna call it. So I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic and I'm gonna go ahead and add hot Hungarian paprika. I wanna leave the smoked paprika for the potatoes. So it's very simple. I mean, if you wanna add other seasonings to this, feel free. Okay. Oh yeah. Love that sizzle. Burgers are pretty much done. We are going to layer this with ham. Depends on how many slices of ham you want on it. Then I'm gonna put a layer of cheese. And definitely, well, you know what? I'm just gonna do 2 layers. Add another thing of cheese. And so I know the burgers are done, so I'm just gonna cover this a little bit and have it melt. Okay, here we go. We got our potatoes done. We've got our hamburgers ready. The burgers are done. The cheese has melted, lettuce. Oh, got our beer going on because come on, hamburgers or lemonade, beer, just all sounds good. So let's build our burger. This is gonna be my burger. And I'm going to have a little bit of lettuce. And I chose arugula because I love that little peppery flavor. I'm gonna put a dollop of this sauce on. And hopefully that'll get warmed up a little bit by your burger. Oh yeah, there we go. And plop. So let's get our other burger going. Look at that. Cheese has melted. I'm gonna do Chris's. Hey babe.
Yo.
We got dinner going. I wasn't sure how you wanted. Of course, if I had more hands in the kitchen, which I never do because I'm usually doing videos and stuff and extra camera people, everything would just remain hot. So hopefully this is all hot still. At least the meat will be in the fries. Okay. Oh, do you want to get that stool over there, please?
Okay.
You don't want this?
No.
Okay.
And I'm taking just one burger on the plate
Okay.
to start with.
Oh.
You know, so.
Okay, so we're just gonna do one burger on the plate. Chris doesn't want to get too tempted, people. Okay, this is my burger, babe. This is yours.
All right.
We got some fries here.
Excellent.
I put a little sriracha in the ketchup, just a little bit, but you may want more.
Okay.
And I didn't fry these because, you know,
No, they look good.
I just don't have time for that. Okay. Do you want to cut your burger in half?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so do I. Hopefully I'll be able to do this well.
Those are good.
I put them on roast. Probably could have boiled them. And don't be afraid to squish down your hamburger a little bit. There we go.
Okay.
I want to see if this tastes like what we had. I think I probably could have melted the cheese a little bit more.
I bet it's going to taste better.
But do you see those layers? The burger, the ham, and the cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see that?
Yeah.
Hopefully the sauce is good. I made it up.
Better than what we had before. It's a mouthful.
It is.
Mm-hmm.
But I like it. I thought toasting up the burgers helped.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the hamburger bun and stuff. And cheers, babe. Sorry, I wasn't sure how you wanted your beer. Here. Cheers.
Okay.
We're gonna fight over it. Anyway, this is hamburger on a cold winter's night with homemade, I guess, roasted potatoes. So go to my YouTube channel, go to my website, follow me, do this recipe, and let me know how you build your hamburger up. But I appreciate you joining us in Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen.
Great way to build a burger.
Yeah, see? Layers.
I like it.